Penguin! Look at that! Dinosaur! Dinosaur! They still got dinosaurs! That one's a big dinosaur, that one's a tiny dinosaur. The dinosaur from the Antarctic. You see, there's crocodiles in there. So we're gonna go into the penguin coast. So yeah. What's up, guys? I don't think you can see in the penguin coast because it's quite. Oh no, you can see. You still can see the inside of the penguin coast. Oh, look at that! There's a big dinosaur.
They're not angry to the bird now.
Is that a dinosaur too? Wow, weird. That's a tiny dinosaur. Sorry. Okay, sorry guys, you got in the video. So, I don't. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Wow, look at that. It's fat. Oh my gosh, the dinosaur's awakened. Oh gosh, it's really cold in here. I don't think you can see my face because I'm black. Racist. So this is the penguins. Let's look at penguin. I'm not sure if it's a penguin or a duck because I'm not good with animals. So yeah, penguin or duck. I don't know what's that animal called. Yeah, this is all of this is really cold. I'm not sure you can see my face or not. Or not. I don't think you can see my face. I'm gonna ask my sister. Can you see my face? Yeah. Okay, you can see my face. I'll be right. So we are going up to the next level. Okay, right here. So yeah, there's my parents over there. Adriana, Mama. We can't see the. Oh, look at that fat penguin. Oh my gosh, it's a dinosaur. A dinosaur penguin. Selfie. Wow, a dinosaur. So we're looking at that TV. So maybe you're just going down because there's nothing to do up here. It's actually not really high, just 4 steps down. But yeah, so I've been down. Now I'm downstairs. As you can see, and we're gonna see the penguins. Oh my God, dinosaurs! Dinosaur. So yeah. So oh my gosh, a floating dinosaur. Oh.
Now you take my side. No, you keep your phone.
Selfie. Penguin. If I pronounce his name, so the penguin. Whoa! Look, swimming dinosaurs. Dinosaur. So I'm in the Ivory Coast. Dinosaur Coast. I'm not sure you can see my face or not because it's pretty dark in here. Wow. Look at all these dinosaurs.
Even now also can see,
So maybe we are going out right now. Dinosaur.
One it like, got like. Hey,
Oh, look at the dinosaur. It's time for my swim. La 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 la. Flip my tail. So yeah, guys, we're gonna escape the dinosaur coast, and I'll see you there next time. Just kidding. I'm not gonna end the video right here. In my previous video, I ended when I was in the food court. Yeah. So sorry, my mom has to catch this. I'm not sure you can see my face or not. I see that a lot of times, but yeah. Oh look, an emperor penguin.
Yes, they put out in samurai. This is samurai.
I'm taller,
See this here. See this here.
but I can't see. This is the second biggest penguin in king penguin, African penguin, macaroni, and the Humboldt. So we are going out. Yeah, it was pretty dark in there. So I'm gonna upload 2 more videos. This is part 2. Part 1 I haven't uploaded yet. So when I reach home, I'm gonna upload because I have no 3G, no Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's my grandmother. Hi. Hello.
hello.
I did tigingin setengah. Let's 350. Oh, yeah.
Okay, maybe I'm gonna post 3 because this is really big. So yeah, I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.